Hello everyone, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I am going to make a smoothie, and guess what? I'm going to use jackfruit, lovely piece of jackfruit. I may not use all of it, and banana, my malta, my milk, oat milk. You can use any milk you want, it don't have to be oat milk. A yogurt, this is a strawberry yogurt, and I tell you the banana. Okay, I'm gonna cut my jackfruit this off, and I'm going to take off the food from the jackfruit. But let me tell you something, it is very stainy. So guess what? I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to use some coconut oil on my hand. Because if I don't use the coconut oil, my hand gonna be stainy. So right, I'm gonna cut through it right now. Use the knife, and I'm gonna cut out this middle part. Okay. Oh, I don't cut it good at all. Let me give it another cut. Can see it right here? Either too big or what? I'm gonna cut out this part here. Jackfruit smoothie. Oh gosh, it's lovely. I'm telling you, it's lovely. All right, so here's my coconut, my oil. I'm not gonna put it here. I'm gonna put some oil in my hand. And I'm gonna rub my hand. Don't want it to be stainy. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all the food from here. See it? It comes with a seed inside here. You can cook the seed, you know. When we did in Jamaica, we roast it and we cook it. Yes. Take out the middle part. We put it here. See it? Lovely pegs. Lovely pegs. Okay. Juicy, lip and juice dropping from the jackfruit. And I don't think I'm gonna use so much. Wow, the juice dropping from the jackfruit. This jackfruit is so nice. Take it from peg to peg. You can put the seed here and this here. Okay guys, I'm back here. I just peg out my jackfruit, and now I'm gonna do my blending. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the blender here. This is jackfruit. Oh Lord, jackfruit smells nice. Just making one portion, not much. How that piece look? Good. All right, that's my jackfruit, and I put my malt on my jackfruit. Malt. Some milk. My banana. I try one banana first and see how it tastes. I don't want to overload it, so I'm going to try one banana first. Okay, and my yogurt. This is a Greek yogurt, strawberry and vanilla. Okay, start it. If it needs the other banana. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, it's pretty. You think it needs the next banana? I'm going to put the next banana. I am going to. All right. Let me put the next banana, make it juicy more. Okay, I think it's done. All right. Yes, sir. Wow. I'm going to throw it in here. See it? It's done. I have two. Okay. I have to throw it from this in here now, huh? Glasses. Okay. Here we go.